보호 장비도 없이 거친 암벽을 오르는 남자.
There's that old Greek myth of the guy who flew too high. Icarus was his name. He had a pair of homemade wings. And he knew what would happen if he got too close to the sun, but he did it anyway.
그리스의 섬 크레타에서 유서 깊은 재벌가의 아들 리오가 돌연 추락사하며 장례식이 열립니다.
The family of the fallen guy were rich. They were in shipping. They ran the island through violence and extortion. That's hubris for you.
장례식이 끝나고 얼마 뒤 섬에 들어온 남자의 이름은 사설 탐정 닉입니다.
Mrs. Vardakis.
You can call me Penelope.
Okay.
Sally Burnham is a friend of mine. She told me that you helped her with a little problem in Athens.
Sorry, could I ask you a favor? You mind taking off your sunglasses? Or would I just like to look people in the eye when I talk to them?
I have a problem of my own. I can't trust the local police.
Why is that?
My husband's family owns them. We buried my brother-in-law 2 days ago. He died climbing on the island.
I read about it. I'm sorry for your loss. What a terrible accident.
Murder. No one will investigate.
퍼넬로피는 리오의 죽음이 사고가 아닌 살인사건이라고 하는데
It's not a narrative that works for my husband's family. Anything other than an accident could cause turbulence to the stock, and they won't have that. I need a private investigator to sort this out for me. I have money.
My question to you is why? Your husband's a powerful man. This might make trouble for him, for his family, your family.
I knew Leo before I ever met my husband. He was a good person. And if I don't do this, no one else will. I'll double your rate. This has to stay between us. No one can know that you're working for me.
어딘가 찝찝한 상황. 하지만 의뢰비가 2배인 사건을 거절할 이유가 없었고 두 사람은 닉이 지낼 숙소로 향합니다. 숙소에 도착한 닉은 술부터 꺼내들고 멍한 표정으로 급히 술을 삼키기 시작하는데
And if I got the math right, I'd land in the perfect blackout. No memories.
가족들과 행복한 추억에서 깨어난 닉은 일단 어디서부터 조사를 시작할지 둘러보기로 합니다. 가장 먼저 리오의 사망 기록부터 열람하기 위해 그의 시신을 보관했던 영안실로 발걸음을 옮기는데
10 minutes. His injuries are consistent with a fall from a height of 30 meters.
And, why the broken fingers?
It's common with rock climbers. A lot of pressure on the hands. He must have been trying to hang on.
So this is, an equipment failure.
No, there was no equipment. He climbed free solo, no ropes.
Yeah, one more thing. You got the name of the investigating officer?
George Mensa.
리오가 프리솔로로 등반했다는 석연찮은 사실에 담당 수사관 조지를 찾아갑니다.
I'm from Eastern Global Life Insurance. I'm head up investigations with our American office. Leo Vardakis had a policy with us.
As far as I'm concerned, some rich guy fell off a rock because he was too vain to use a rope, but I do need some details.
Find out the case is closed. I don't know what you're hoping to find. The official report recorded it as an accidental death.
Any witnesses? What was the time of death?
It's in the report.
Great. Could I see that?
No.
When did forensics make their determination of cause of death?
A day after he died last week.
2 days ago, you showed up to his funeral with a camera. And it looks like they were all there. The widowed matriarch, Audrey Vardakis, Leo's twin brother, Ilias, the CEO with his perfect wife. Each unhappy in their own way. But who was unhappy with Leo? You must have some idea.
말과 달리 리오의 죽음에 의문을 품고 있는 듯한 조지에게 기록 보관소로 보내기 전 잠시만 자료를 보겠다고 하는데
All I need is just a quick look.
Stop. Bribery is punishable by imprisonment under Greek law. So if the next thing that comes out of your pocket is money,
I'll be in town in a few days. Anything changes with the case, let me know.
단호한 조지의 태도에 돌아서려던 그때 닉의 눈에 보이는 사진 한 장.
Zun Yapanda. I'm a little rusty, obviously. What's that mean again?
they live forever.
수소문 결과 요트는 바르다키스 가문의 것이었고 요트를 발견했을 때 그곳에는 리오의 쌍둥이 형 엘리아스와 그의 아내이자 의뢰인 퍼넬로피, 어머니 오드리까지 모두 모여 있었고 얼마 뒤 배를 나서는 엘리아스의 뒤를 몰래 쫓기 시작합니다. 엘리아스가 향한 곳은 다름 아닌 암벽 등반지였는데
His brother had just died climbing free solo, but there he was, without a rope. You might call that confidence. I'd say he had something to prove. Just like Icarus. Some guys need to feel like they're above everyone.
등반이 끝나길 기다린 닉이 엘리아스에게 접근합니다.
My name's Nick Bali. I'm here to talk to you about Leo with the National Intelligence Service.
An American on the Greek NIS.
I know, I'm actually a Greek-American expat. There's a couple of us in the organization. They bring us into situations like this, where your company's taking heavy investment from my side of the pond.
Can I see some ID?
It's good you ask. Not everybody does. I'm trying to be discreet, out of respect, but if you want, I could go now and then bring back a couple more agents.
My mother's not to be disturbed.
닉에게 완벽하게 속은 엘리아스는 조사에 응하는데
If you don't mind, could we start with the morning of your brother's death? Where were you?
At home in bed, my wife came in, woke me, told me Leo's body had been found.
And what time was that?
8:30ish. She's usually up for a swim by 7, has her breakfast by the pool.
When's the last time you saw your brother alive?
It was 3 weeks before he died. You hear this anyway, so I'll tell you myself. The last time Leo and I were together, we had a fight.
일란성 쌍둥이라 누구보다 가까운 형제였지만 회사 경영에 도움이 된다며 어릴 때부터 형제의 경쟁을 유도해온 아버지 밑에서 자란 리오와 엘리아스.
Well, this must be a very hard time for you and your family, your wife. Was she very close with your brother?
Not really.
그때 엘리아스의 폰에 날아든 문자 한 통. 누군가의 첩보를 확인한 엘리아스는 황급히 자리를 뜨는데
If you think of anything else, or if perhaps your mother.
Leave my mother out of this. She's lost a husband and a son in the space of 18 months. I don't want anything else upsetting her.
경고와 함께 자리를 뜨는 엘리아스. 닉은 곧바로 주변에서 자신을 도청하던 조지를 찾아냅니다.
You're from an insurance company, and now you're NIS.
Was a detective for the NYPD. Now I'm doing PI work out of Athens.
Why Athens?
It's someone who escaped him.
What are you escaping from?
Family things. Look, I can imagine how the Vardakis family treats people. So I can also imagine why a good cop like you would want to knock him down a peg if you saw a way. And so why don't you and me help each other out a little bit? Come on.
조지가 동의하며 두 사람의 공조가 시작되고 조지가 도청한 녹취록을 분석하며 엘리아스의 증언에서 단서를 찾기로 하는데
Futzing with his wedding ring right there and he scratched his chin. Was she very close with your brother?
Not really.
He hesitated there, and he's too emphatic. The way he shuts it down, he's jealous. Something, someone, I can feel it.
He's got everything a man could possibly want. Money, power, a beautiful wife. If anyone would have been jealous, it was Leo.
Yeah, that's the part I'm stuck on. Something doesn't fit.
So you still think he's just some rich guy who slipped off a rock?
You still think the case is closed?
Officially, sure. Unofficially, I never did.
정황상 용의자여야 마땅한 리오가 피해자인 상황에 혼란스러운 닉은 퍼넬러피에게 향합니다.
Did you speak with Ilias? You have to ask me before you talk to anyone in this family.
Was Ilias jealous of his brother?
Why would he be jealous?
But you knew Leo before you knew him, right?
Sure.
You want to tell me about that?
그녀는 옥스퍼드 대학에 입학했지만 형편이 어려워 아르바이트를 했고 그곳에서 리오를 처음 만났다고 하는데
Anything else?
Not unless you want to help me write a paper. Can I buy you a drink later?
I didn't have
퍼넬러피에게 반한 리오가 먼저 다가갔지만 돈을 벌어야 했던 그녀에게는 그럴 여유가 없었죠.
It was strange. I didn't really know what to make of it first. This rich kid who went to the best boarding schools his entire life and him showing attention to me. He was trying really hard. And it came across as desperate and needy.
When we first spoke, you said he was sweet and kind. Now you're saying he's desperate and needy. So which is it?
Well, both things can be true.
And tell me how Ilias enters the picture?
It's late. I should go.
닉의 질문에 황급히 이야기를 끊고 자리를 뜨는 퍼넬러피. 닉은 리오가 살던 아파트로 향해 단서를 수집하기로 합니다.
So the deceased had a thing for his brother's wife. The mother was clearly a crazy person. And then there's always the friend.
그때 닉의 머리에 잊혀지지 않는 과거가 떠오릅니다.
I can't believe I get to be with you. What are y'all dressed up for?
Going to meet someone.
Who?
Am I being interrogated?
I can remember the exact moment I first felt real jealousy. She hadn't even crossed any lines, not yet, but it didn't matter. From then on, it was like I'd been poisoned. It owned me, and I held on so tight, it killed our marriage. It did make me better at my job, though. Knowing that kind of jealousy, I could now see in suspects what I saw in myself.
다음으로 닉이 향한 곳은 리오의 친구 빅토리아가 일하고 있는 술집이었죠.
Ilias told me that he and Leo had a fight a couple weeks before he died at a bar.
What do you want to know?
Who started the fight?
I didn't hear it. We were busy.
You have no idea what it was about.
No.
Could it have been about money?
Leo didn't need any money. He had a salary from the family business, mostly for appearances. Audrey Bardakis cares very much about appearances.
빅토리아는 리오와 그의 집안에 관해 상세히 알고 있었고 닉은 이곳에 찾아온 진짜 이유를 말하죠.
Did Leo love Penelope? How did Ilias feel about that?
How would I know?
And what about you? Tough for you, Leo having feelings for her? Sorry, I No judgment. I just know how it feels.
Leo was a friend, but I know my place. He was the son of a billionaire, and I'm a daughter of a bartender.
Penelope wasn't for money.
I'm not Penelope.
You think she married the wrong man?
Her life would have been easier with Leo, but I guess Elias won that much. Because that's always what happens. Elias has to win.
생각보다 깊이 알고 있는 빅토리아. 닉은 그녀를 떠보기 시작하는데
You said yourself Leo didn't like how Ilias treated people. So if he had a story really juicy and he was threatening to go public, like that could be damaging to the CEO of a billion-dollar company, impact the stock price.
I don't know. Elias runs the company, but Audrey runs the family.
What do you mean Audrey
Sorry.
runs-
I mean, you don't stand against this family. Not someone like me.
엘리아스에 이어 빅토리아까지 언급하는 오드리. 더 이상 말이 없는 빅토리아를 뒤로하고 닉이 돌아서던 그때
Leo has been climbing that rock since he was a boy. As soon as I heard about the accident, I knew something didn't fit. I hope you find whoever killed him.
사고사가 아닌 것 같다며 조심스레 말하는 빅토리아. 닉은 다시 페넬로피를 만나러 갑니다.
Come on, I don't have long.
Oh, is that?
There's a benefit tonight to re-elect the governor. The whole family is gonna be there.
파티를 앞둔 페넬로피는 리오가 추락했던 사건 현장으로 닉을 데려갑니다.
This is where they found his boat.
It's always this quiet.
Yeah, you can only get here by water. This is where they found his body.
Jeez. Spoke to someone at the morgue. They said he fell 30 meters.
There's a path up. I can show you.
Okay. I talked to a Victoria Lekaiki. She also thinks Leo was murdered.
Probably the first thing she and I have ever agreed on.
Oh, you don't like her?
She thinks I broke Leo's heart. I knew Leo had a twin, but I had never met him before.
페넬로피는 미처 다 전하지 못했던 리오와의 과거 연애사를 마저 털어놓는데
Penelope, you fucked her yet?
동생에게 절대 지지 않으려던 엘리아스는 리오가 잠시 자리를 비운 사이 그의 휴대폰을 집어들고는
I got a message one night asking if we could study together. I was falling behind with all the shifts I was doing, so I was actually really grateful that he'd asked.
리오를 속인 엘리아스는 그날 밤 리오인 척 페넬로피를 찾아갑니다.
It was him, but he was different. He had this confidence to him that Leo never had. It was like he was just completely present.
I'll go if you ask me to.
Now, you really had no idea that it was Ilias and not Leo that night?
I knew.
페넬로피는 리오를 받아들였고 그날 이후 연인 관계로 발전한 두 사람은 급기야 부모님께 인사까지 드리게 되는데
I met his parents, and it was obvious he was Audrey's favorite. I just had no idea how much Leo was excluded from the family, or how deep the rivalry was with his brother.
That must have been very painful for Leo, being in love with you, watching you fall for him.
Yeah.
Did Leo know something about your husband that got him killed?
Killed by who?
By someone with a vested interest in keeping Ilias in power. I'm gonna talk to Audrey.
Well, it's not gonna happen.
Okay, what about the thing tonight, the benefit?
All right. You can't go looking like that, though. I'll have something sent over.
The suit she had sent over cost more than a decent car.
엘리아스와 더불어 용의 선상에 있는 오드리를 만나기 위해 선상 파티에 참석한 닉이 오드리에게 접근합니다.
Sorry, I should introduce myself. I'm Nick, a friend of Leo's. I'm so sorry for your loss. Mrs. Vardakis, you don't believe this thing they're saying about it being an accident.
I'm used to people coming after me and my family. So let's cut the shit, Nick. Why did you buy a new suit and come here tonight? What do you want?
Just trying to understand what really happened to my friend.
Get away from her! I told you to leave her alone.
엘리아스는 오드리에게 닉이 사립 탐정이라며 그를 막아서고
Who hired you? Victoria?
I'm afraid that's between me and my client.
There's no more cooperation from now on. Do you understand?
Get the fuck off my boat before I throw you off.
Was that a confession?
I'll go back to Athens. Better yet, go back to New York, to the wife and kid you walked out on.
엘리아스의 말에 제대로 긁혀버린 닉. 감정을 주체하지 못하고 술을 마시는 그에게 조지가 다가옵니다.
I got a call from my boss. If I'm seen within 3 feet of you, then I'm suspended.
You should just go.
Whatever's going on here, it is not worth it. The police aren't going to reopen the case. Be careful, my friend. A man like that, he doesn't ask twice.
You should go.
유일한 조력자 조지마저 생명의 위협을 느끼고 사건에서 손을 떼기로 합니다.
He was right. Of course he was. But I've never been great at letting things go.
술에 취한 닉은 뉴욕을 떠나기 직전 아내와 있었던 일을 떠올립니다.
When I caught her, she didn't hold back on her reasons. She told me that I worked too much, that I drank too much, that she wasn't happy. Did I let it go?
다음 날 눈을 뜬 닉은 끝까지 사건을 마무리하기 위해 빅토리아를 다시 찾아갔지만 그녀의 가게는 굳게 닫혀 있었죠.
I don't know. I mean, Elias runs the company, but Audrey runs the family. You understand?
그렇습니다. 그녀가 닉을 고용했을 거라고 판단한 오드리가 손을 쓴 것이었고 닉은 오드리의 집으로 향합니다.
Icarus didn't make his own wings. His father made them. And Ilias never made his own money, but he didn't seem to mind spending his dad's.
돈을 챙겨 어디론가 향하는 엘리아스를 미행하는 닉. 엘리아스가 만난 건 바로 야니스였고 그에게 은밀하게 무언가를 건네는 엘리아스. 바로 그때
Stop. You wait there.
Στον Αμερικάνο.
연기를 시작하는 닉.
Τον Αμερικάνο, ο Γιάννης ψάχνει τον...
닉이 도망쳐보지만
Told you to leave the island. I won't tell you again.
Next time we see you, you're fucking dead.
조지의 도움으로 숙소에 돌아온 닉은 엘리아스를 무너뜨리겠다는 의지를 더욱 불태웠죠.
If you hit me, I'm gonna hit you back.
다음 날 닉의 얼굴을 본 퍼넬로피는 당황할 수밖에 없었죠.
Who did this? I like to look people in the eye when I speak to them. Elias did this?
Be honest, technically.
Nick, they could have killed you.
Yeah, and if he finds out that you hired me, what do you think he's gonna do to you?
I'm not afraid.
Maybe you should be.
He's the first person Elias calls when we land here. Gets him anything he wants.
I heard about that. Drugs, parties.
Women? You can say it. You don't have to be coy. It's been going on for years. Started right after we got married. I called him out about it early on, but somehow it was always my fault.
사랑은커녕 폭력적인 태도와 이혼까지 거부하는 엘리아스의 행태에 퍼넬로피는 지칠 대로 지친 상태였죠.
How if I ever did leave, he'd kill himself or kill me. And he promises he'll change. You know, that he'll do anything. The fucked up thing is that he actually does change. Just long enough to make me believe. You know, that sounds weak. I've just never been strong enough.
While you had an affair with Leo, you left a hair tie in his apartment.
리오와 은밀한 만남을 눈치챈 닉의 말에 퍼넬로피는 더 이상 부인하지 못했죠.
I asked you, is there any reason Ilias jealous of Leo? You said no.
I never said no.
Fine, but the whole time you were covering up an affair. Why didn't you tell me?
I couldn't risk that. I didn't trust you yet.
Saying you trust me now?
Maybe. You trust me?
I don't know. You cheated on your husband.
Elias doesn't know about Leo.
I think he does. I could tell that guy was jealous of something. Now I know what. Brother slept with his wife and killed him for it. I just need to prove it.
사고 장소의 지형과 위치를 둘러본 닉은 완전 범죄를 완성시킬 수 있었던 방법을 생각해냅니다.
She said the cliff's inaccessible by land, so whoever killed Leo had to get to the beach and then leave the beach again by sea. If they can't swim it, maybe there's a boat waiting.
배를 이용했을 거라 확신한 닉은 사건 당일 사용된 배를 조사하기 위해 조지에게 도움을 청하고 두 사람은 등록된 배들의 조업일지를 확인하기 시작하는데
What about this boat here, BL-42?
What about it?
I mean, it's out on the water the day that Leo Varadakis dies, but there's not a catch recorded for months before that, and then nothing since.
That's strange.
That is strange, right?
Yeah.
We gotta find BL-42.
수소문 끝에 배의 위치를 알아낸 두 사람은 곧바로 보트 내부를 조사하기 시작합니다.
¡Astronauta!
총소리에 밖으로 나온 닉은 총상을 입은 조지를 부축하지만
Go. I'm okay. Go.
괴한을 처리하고 조지에게 돌아가지만 이미 그의 숨이 멎은 뒤였죠.
He was already knee-deep in this when I met him, but I dragged him in deeper. I wouldn't let him escape. Now his blood was on my hands. This was all on me.
시리에 빠진 닉은 조지와의 공조를 돌이켜보며 자신이 놓친 것은 없는지 되짚어보는데요.
You think he's hiding something?
He's jealous of something, somebody. I can feel it.
Pain can be illuminating. It can also drop you into darkness when you're driven by jealousy. You know what you're doing isn't right, but you do it anyway.
Why the broken fingers?
If anyone should have been jealous, it was Leo.
완전 범죄의 균열을 찾아낸 닉은 다시 현장으로 달려가 한 번 더 사건을 되짚어 봅니다. 범행 방식을 간파하고 퍼넬로피의 집 근처로 달려간 닉은 그녀에게 연락을 합니다.
Yeah, I figured it out.
You know how we killed Leo.
Let the security detail go. You can come open the gate in 5 minutes.
퍼넬로피의 도움으로 집안까지 들어가는데 성공한 닉은 곧장 엘리아스를 만나 범행을 밝혀낼 생각이었죠.
The terrace.
Call the police. Bring Audrey.
Nick.
You gotta trust me. Go get Audrey. I'll meet you outside.
퍼넬로피가 오드리에게 향하는 사이 닉은 엘리아스가 있는 테라스로 향하는데
Penny? Who was at the door?
You're trespassing. You need to leave.
Mrs. Vardakis, have you noticed that your son has been unable to fulfill his duties as CEO since his brother died? The first time we met, I posed as an NIS agent, and he believed me because I said your company's taken heavy investment from my side of the pond.
Of course.
But I looked it up later, and the Eurida shipping company doesn't have any American investors, does it? You're financed by a credit facility with a Swiss bank.
What is he talking about?
I have no idea. He's making things up.
Actually, I have evidence.
조지가 녹음했던 녹취록을 들려준 닉은 엘리아스가 회사에 대해 잘 모르고 있다는 걸 입증하는데
It's not my voice.
That is your voice, but it's not Ilias, because you're not him. Mrs. Vardakis, this is Leo.
God, you're out of your fucking mind.
You murdered your brother, and you took his place. It was Ilias going climbing that morning, not you. But you knew where he would be, because you two been climbing that rock since you were kids, right?
Ellie, what is he talking about?
He's a drunk. Don't listen to a word he says.
The beach is inaccessible by land, so you went to Giannis, posing as Ilias. So if anybody looked twice, it wouldn't seem out of place on the water. And then he waited for you while you went and did what you came to do.
I was asleep when my brother died. Penelope can vouch for that, can't you?
You told me that yourself.
She's usually up for a swim by 7, then has breakfast by the pool.
That gave you about 90 minutes. But you still had to hurry, so you could beat your brother to the top of the cliff. He fell 30 meters, and he died on impact just like you planned. You've been wanting to kill him since college, since he stole Penelope from you. Because it should have been you introducing your parents to this amazing woman. You would never forgive him, even after all these years. But you didn't just want to kill your brother. You wanted to be him. You knew that even with an autopsy, you'd be in the clear. You told me that, too.
We were monozygotic twins, Mr. Barley.
Monozygotic. I had to look that up. It means your DNA is 100% identical. You had everyone convinced. You fooled your mother. You fooled your brother's best friend. You even got into bed with his wife.
리오의 완전 범죄가 성공하며 형의 모든 걸 갖게 됐죠.
I knew something was different. You told me you were just grieving.
Penelope told me about that night that he took her from you.
What did she say?
She said that your brother was like you, but he was different. Very different.
닉은 리오가 가지고 있던 형에 대한 열등감을 자극하기 시작하고
Is that true?
오드리의 총에 쓰러진 리오. 그에게 달려간 퍼넬로피는 작은 목소리로 무언가를 속삭였고 경찰이 출동하며 사건이 정리됩니다. 그리고 의뢰를 완수한 닉은 섬을 떠날 준비를 하죠. 안도의 한숨을 내쉬던 그때 그의 머리를 스치는 여러 조각들.
I tell him I need to leave. He tells me I can't.
You're not hearing me. I am miserable here. I am trapped.
And if I don't do this, no one else will.
마지막 하나를 놓친 듯한 느낌.
Murder.
Is that what you think happened?
Do you trust me?
You fucking quiet!
마지막 퍼즐을 찾은 닉은 비행기에서 내려 퍼넬로피에게 향합니다.
Nick.
When you and I first met, you told me that Sally Burnham recommended me to you.
Sally Burnham is a friend of mine.
That wasn't true, was it? Sally and I didn't part on such good terms. My bet would be you heard from her that I was a mess, and that worked for you, because you wanted someone you could lead around by the nose. You don't need to lie anymore, not to me. I remembered something on the plane, something you said. It reminded me of something that my wife said. You said you wanted to leave your husband, but he wouldn't let you. You were in on it the whole time. You wanted Ilias dead.
The plan was that I would walk away and that he would take over the company
He would take over the company as Ilias?
as Leo.
형의 회사 경영권을 원한 리오와 자유를 갈망하던 퍼넬로피가 엘리아스를 죽이기로 공모했던 것이었죠.
So you were the one that told Leo that Ilias was going to go climbing that morning. Giannis might have arranged that boat, but he was never on it. That was you.
Yeah. And then once he came back, he just changed the plan.
엘리아스를 처리한 리오는 그날 이후 퍼넬러피를 협박하며 자신의 여자로 만들었지만
And with Leo, it was just scary. He told me that he'd lost me once and he wasn't gonna lose me again.
So that's why you needed me, to expose him. Why didn't you just tell Audrey?
I couldn't tell Audrey. She wouldn't believe me.
처음부터 끝까지 그녀의 계략이었다는 걸 깨달은 닉. 퍼넬러피는 모든 사실을 알고 말없이 돌아서는 닉을 불러 세우는데
What now?
Nothing. You saved yourself. I'm not gonna hold that against you. Man you loved didn't give you the life you deserved. You said you wanted out.
Did you let your wife leave?
I wanted to kill her. Coming up at me.
But you didn't.
딸의 모습을 본 닉은 복수를 포기했고 그 길로 뉴욕을 떠나 아테네로 갔던 것이었습니다.
You saved yourself too. Your daughter gets to grow up with a mother and a father.
I'm no good to her.
Not in Athens. You're a much better man than you realize, Nick.
서로에게 동병상련의 감정을 느끼며 마지막 인사를 나누는 두 사람. 닉은 문득 쓰러진 리오에게 무언가를 속삭이던 퍼넬러피의 모습이 떠오르는데
What did you whisper to him?
Now I'm free.
Freedom. That's what Icarus wanted. That's what Penelope wanted, and she was willing to kill for it.
한참을 멍하니 바다를 바라보다가 전화기를 꺼내드는 닉.
Hello?
Hey, sweetie.
Where are you? Are you coming home?
Yeah, I'm coming home.
이제 딸의 곁으로 향하는 닉의 모습을 비추며 영화가 끝납니다. 조셉 고든 레빗 주연의 미스터리 범죄 스릴러 질투의 남자였습니다. 복잡한 가정사를 가슴에 품고 섬의 다다른 탐정 닉이 자신의 입장을 투영하며 쌍둥이 형제와 퍼넬러피의 숨겨진 관계를 파헤치는데요. 사건 의뢰도 자신의 문제도 끝내 해결해내는 결말이 인상적인 작품입니다. 반전에 반전을 거듭한 전개로 지루할 틈 없는 추리 스릴러 질투의 남자는 아마존 프라임에서 시청하실 수 있습니다.